When a man was left brokenhearted after a breakup, he found a surprise waiting for him on his doorstep: a tiny starving kitten. He called the kitten Fajita, after the first meal they shared, and took him to the vet, where the little one got the help he desperately needed. When they both returned from the vet, Fajita jumped onto the man's lap and claimed it for his own. They both needed somebody and were there for each other at the right time. It would appear that this relationship was meant to be.